Hello everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you a cool trick. So very useful ito sa mga teacher na nasa ESL or ESL teaching industry, and also to those who are beginners or the aspiring ESL teachers. So first, all you need to do is you go to your browser and search for Notezilla. Yan. So ida-download lang natin to, Notezilla Sticky Notes. So this is available for Windows or even Androids. Okay, so let's go here. Yan. So just go directly here. Click nyo to, download, try it free, and then download now. So yan, lalabas yan dyan, dito. So since it's already downloaded, yan, makikita mo. So ready for installation na yan. So just follow the installation process. And once installed na siya sa computer mo, you can see it here. You have the icon for Notezilla. And then let's just say na may interview ka, or for those who are, so for those teachers na gagawa ng self-introduction video, so here you go to Notezilla and you create your note. So since I already prepared a script, so here is my script. So let me just this. So this one here, lalagay ko yan dyan siya. Tapos, isi-set ko pa to siya. Yan. Let's go to appearance kasi nasa-set yung appearance niya. So let's go to, you can change the color. Let's just say, ayan, gusto ko na yan yung color. Tapos yung skin, classic. And then you can change it to low. This is for the transparency. Low, medium, high, and full. But for me, I am going to use full. So yan. Yan, mape-place yan siya dyan. So since dyan mo siya nilagay. Yan. Okay. Pwede mo din siyang gawin na ganito. Set mo. So nakikita mo lang tong notes na to. Kung isa-set mo dito, stick to window. Yung move, kung let's just say, ma-interview ka, so click mo yan, move, and then okay. Or to those windows na kakailanganin mo yung script, so okay mo yan. So, yun lang. Makikita mo lang yan siya. Pwede mo siya i-place. Ganyan. Siya. You can place it anywhere. Let's just say, give you example ha. So this is full already. And then stick to window for move. Yan. And then transfer ko lang yan dyan. Tapos, to yung appearance niya, transparency, let's say high. So, again, lalabas yun siya ganyan. So, just make sure na once na babasahin mo yan, huwag mo ipapahalata na nagbabasa ka lang. So, nasa sa iyo na yan. So, that's all for today, teachers. And, you know, this is not just for ESL teachers. This can also be used for VAs and other professions na dito na virtual yung setup. So thank you everyone and bye!